I'm going to apologize for the shaky cam, and I'm going to also show you that Ralph and Stella feel like they need to be helping me in digging out plastic bags from the shelves as I do this. Stella, get over here. What are you doing? Hey, come here. Quit sniffing around. All right, so this is going to be kind of the initial eval for the Nivico console. I'm going to do two things today. I'm going to open the cover. We're going to look inside, and then I'm going to roll this thing around, and we're going to open up the back and hope that we don't find remnants of some rodent family's, nest in there. So let's take some of this blue tape off. Get that out of the way. I don't know if I pointed out my little handy dandy rolling cart that I had to make for this, so I could move it around my garage, keep it out of the way. So opening up the lid, we have the Nivico reel-to-reel. Not sure what that is, but I don't want to touch it. I need to vacuum this out. I'm going to save some of those parts. So we have the reel-to-reel. We have the receiver, right? Nivico FM stereo. Oh, it's got shortwave as well. So that'd be really, really cool if that's working. We have the turntable. Now there is something interesting when we get around to the back. I'll show you about the turntable, and I'm not sure what it means, but we'll see what we can do with that. We have a box of, oh, it's a 45 adapter for the turntable. So cosmetically, I mean, it's dirty, but cosmetically, it's oh, there's, oh, this is four track recorder. I thought it said 8-track. Okay, so yeah, so I think this will clean up nice. I really, really hope there's not a mess on the inside. I mean, the cabinet's not in horrible condition. There are some things that need to be addressed on it, but really, really crossing my fingers, because I think I mentioned earlier also, I do not work on consoles, but this one is just too gorgeous to just let it sit. So so now let's take a look at the back. All right, a shaky cam shot again. So here's the back of the Nivico. This vice grip is attached to the spindle of the turntable, so I'll have to figure out what's going on there. Here's the scary part. Yeah, those wires, that's going to the reel-to-reel, so I'm not sure what that is. So I have to figure out what's going on with those. I think here's the back, here are the specs. I think I'm going to pull these panels off and kind of show you the back. Let's see what's on the inside of this thing. Hopefully no dead mice or rats or anything. So here's the inside. I know it's kind of dark, but I thought this came apart. I'll have to figure out that connector there. It looks like, I'm not sure what. Yeah, interesting. You have to get in there and kind of see what's going on, but no evidence of rodents in there, no droppings. So that's good. Speakers are there. Have no idea what condition they're in, but yeah, I have to kind of do some poking around. Here's the power The power cord seems to be intact, but again, this was just kind of a visual inspection. When I get to a point where I'm even thinking about powering this up, we're going to address those wires that were spliced, and I see a couple fuses in there. I'm going to pull those, get a reading, make sure that those are good, and yeah, kind of see what happens. So anyway, here's the visual inspection of the Nivico. Next time you see this, I'll be poking and prodding around on the inside, probably vacuum it out, get rid of some dust, and yeah, hopefully maybe plug this thing in and give it a whirl, see if it wants to turn on. So stay tuned, more to follow. Apologize for shaky cam again, but I think I'm ready to power this Nivico on and see what happens, kind of do an initial function check. So I looked underneath, I attached the wires that were kind of spliced, tied together. I haven't soldered those together or anything. I may have to do something with those, I don't know. But right now I'm just going to power this on and see what happens. Fingers crossed there's no smoke. We have lights. It's on FM. The dial tuner moves. Ooh, oh my gosh, maybe jump. So scratchy pots or scratchy controls. No sound. So I'm not getting any sound on FM. Oh, it's on tape. Let me... Hey!
Those categories. Sort of different.
Alright. See what these do. Oh, that's cool. Oh wow, that actually sounds pretty good. Let's see. Oh, it's got a reverb. Ooh, that sounds crappy. Yeah, dirty controls. Holy smokes. Well, we have sound and we have some controls that we need to clean. Let's go on to the turntable. Turn this on. Oh, I don't think that's moving. Nope. So let me see what we got going on here. That's okay, idler drive. Oh, the motor's spinning, just spinning real slow. So that motor probably needs to be taken apart and serviced. So that's somewhat promising. And the reel-to-reel. So let's see. Oh. And nothing on reel-to-reel. And I don't hear anything. The light is power button stuck. Oh, this light's on all the time. I was gonna say that light is on, but I assume this has a fan underneath. Normally the fan kicks on, so we'll have to look at that and see what's going on there. You know, I was thinking if that reel-to-reel wasn't repairable, finding an older Nivico cassette deck, for lack of a better term, would be kind of neat to drop in that position. Assuming this isn't something that I can repair. So neat. So awesome. We have sound. I don't know how I'm going to get to those controls to clean them. This faceplate may come off. I may be able to access them. But so that's promising. That's really cool. So more to come on this. As I work on this, you know, over the course of who knows how long, I'll post video updates. But so far it looks all right. So far, it looks promising. So see you next time.